Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing a common issue faced by Instagram users: downloading problems. If you've been having trouble downloading content on Instagram, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this updated tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to fix this issue. Step 1. Begin by checking your internet connectivity. For the best results, it's recommended to connect to a stable Wi-Fi network before attempting any downloads. Step 2. If the problem persists, try restarting your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and improve the overall performance of your device. Step 3. If restarting doesn't work, the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. This can help eliminate any corrupted files or settings that might be causing the downloading problem. Step 4. Alternatively, you can switch to Instagram Lite, a lighter version of Instagram specifically designed for Android devices. Instagram Lite consumes less data and offers a streamlined experience. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram downloading problems you've been facing. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.